Hey guys, Mike from BTech Reviews here, and today we take a look at the Boost Mobile SIM Kit. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I recently acquired this Boost Mobile SIM card, kit that I saw via Instagram ad or whatever. I just saw that they were offering a free month of service basically for like 99 cents, I think, and all you had to do is just order the SIM card kit. In the actual video here, you will see me using the Pixel 5a as the phone of demonstration once I try to get this activated. So basically I paid 99 cents for the SIM kit to test out their service. And you know, Boost Mobile back in the day used to be one of the top prepaid carriers. Recently, the last couple of years, you've noticed the prepaid market has kind of dwindled down a little bit. You know, Virgin Mobile USA was one of the main ones back in the day, and then of course you have Cricket and you have other ones like Metro by T-Mobile. But Boost Mobile was always interesting because they were a company that after being with them for like 6 months, they would actually lower the price for you for having their service after a long time. So I decided to order this just on a whim, right, just to see if the service is any good. Now I know the service did get bought out after the Sprint and T-Mobile merger. So I believe they are owned by Dish Network, but somebody correct me down below in the tell section. I know Tito probably will. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe Spectrum owns them. I'm not 100% sure. But let's take a look to see what comes inside the kit. Really not much, honestly. It looks like just the card, and there's the actual kit, and here's what it tells you. So activating is easy. It says insert the SIM card into your phone using the SIM card. It even comes with a SIM ejector tool. That's pretty cool. And then power on and connect to Wi-Fi. Visit boostmobile.com/welcome and then follow the steps online. So let's do that really quick. Let's pop this open. Let's go ahead and use that SIM tool that I have so many of these, but let's go ahead and use another. And again, America's largest 5G networks. It doesn't even say the largest. It just says America's largest 5G network. So I'm just like, oh, okay, let's see. I am already connected to Wi-Fi, by the way, and I've used this phone on several devices, or not just several devices. No, I'm okay. Here, let me put in my password really quick. I've used this phone on several carriers like Visible and even T-Mobile, right? Let's go ahead and lower the, I don't know why the brightness is all the way up on the phone, but anywho, okay, so let's go ahead and do that really quick. Let's pop the SIM in. So as you can see here, I like how these SIM cards actually come in various sizes, because some older phones actually require like a bigger size card, right? But most phones nowadays take what's called a nano SIM. You had nano, micro, and then I guess just a regular SIM card. But in this case, I'm just going to pop this little portion out. And again, you can see here that if I were to have kept that in that little thing, it would have been for a micro SD card, which again, I'm not going to do. And let's go ahead and just pop it in here. It looks like it's going to go in just fine here. And let's see. Let's pop it in the phone here. It says turn on Wi-Fi, but let's go ahead and get this going. Again, if we can follow the instructions here. It's so funny because I was talking about Visible, and it's on Visible right there. Visible.com. Which is hilarious. But again, let's go ahead and check that out really quick. Again, it's going to be boostmobile.com/welcome. So, and again, this is already prepaid. This SIM card should be activated. Okay, I know the Wi-Fi is connected. Go away. Okay. Boostmobile.com. Let's see. And again, sorry, I'm just taking my time here. Oh, snap. /welcome, I guess. Or is it /activate? Is it activate or welcome? I don't remember. I believe it's welcome. Yeah, it's welcome. /welcome. So again, you guys can see here that I'm popping that out. Welcome. And just so you guys know, I am using the Pixel 6 Pro to film this. So there it is. Here, let's get the camera adjusted here. So it says welcome. First, you need to collect some info, yada, yada, yada. So you can find the ECID on the Boost Mobile SIM card. So I'm assuming that I'm gonna have to punch out some of these numbers here. So let me do that really quick for you guys. All right, so I got to the point where once I put in that ECI or ICC number, which is right there, by the way, it's going to ask you for your email address, which I guess that my email address is up there, and then it's going to ask me to enter a password. So I'm going to go ahead and put the phone aside so I can just type that out really quick, and I'm assuming that this is so that we can have that set up for the actual, I guess for the actual BoostMobile.com thing. So. Alright, so I seem to be getting errors, as you can see here. Hold on, let me see if I can get that to focus here. But it says you already have an active subscription to Boost Mobile. I did disconnect the actual Wi-Fi just to see if just the SIM card by itself kind of works on its own. So let's go over here to mobile networks really quick. Internet network available. Let's see. So according to this, okay, there's my Wi-Fi, right? Let's see if Boost Mobile, there we go, there's Boost. Mobile data is active, so I'm not 100% sure what's going on there. It doesn't give me like a 4G thing over here, though. Hold on, let's turn on this really quick. Just I have a million notifications, by the way. Oh my goodness, this is why I have Do Not Disturb turned on most of my Android phones, at least. But I'm trying to figure out this or why it's not going through. I'm gonna try to maybe get this set up on the actual website because again, it's not going through for me here. Let me try this again. All right, I'm gonna actually try turning off the phone over here just to see if that helps. And again, keep in mind, I used to have Visible and T-Mobile service on this, and I've never really like reset it to the point where I guess like it just knows that I have another new SIM in there. So I think that might be the reason. According to Boost support over here, I do have an active subscription already. It says activate your new Boost service, but again, it's just being a pain, I guess. And here I am trying to turn on my Pixel 5a. Alright guys, so after some trial and error, I actually followed some instructions on boostmobile.com, which has to do with the, I guess the access points, and I had to enter some information. I'm restarting it just to verify that this is working. I did see a 5G logo on top though, and there you go, you can see that here. Let me lower the screen here so it doesn't look that bad. There you go. But okay, let me go ahead and unlock the device here. Oop, okay, I'm always knocking down my tripod, by the way. Anyways, hold on, let me get this unlocked for you guys. Okay, so again, shout out to the Naruto fans out there, by the way. But yeah, pretty much I had to basically go into the the mobile carrier settings over here. And look at that, I finally got 5G on here. So again, the plan that I'm paying for, and I hate to say it right, again, it's right now I only paid $1 for the first month. But if I go to my dashboard over here, and I was actually like trying to get information over here on the little chat that I'm looking at, basically I'm paying, if I wanted to keep the service, right, which I believe again it's owned by Dish, but when I was entering all the access points stuff, it was talking about like domain.attnt.net. So I'm thinking either Dish is owned by AT&T or something, or at least this specific Boost mobile SIM is supported by AT&T perhaps. And for whatever reason, over here, if you when I'm looking at the phone number, I don't care about the phone number because I'm never going to really use this line. It says the device is an AT&T Galaxy S7. This is not a Galaxy S7. So again, they just sent me the SIM. I don't have a GS7 supported with this device, so I think that's pretty weird, I guess. But again, the payment plan that I'm paying for is 15 gigs or $15 a month for unlimited talk and text, but you get 2 gigabytes of 5G/4G data. So I mean, they will cap you out once you get it going. But again, I wanted to run a speed test, I guess, just to test this out and verify. And this will renew the 7th. Let's see. And again, there you go. So I guess this is supported by AT&T in my area. So again, I'm only going to run 1 or 2 speed tests just to see how this goes, and maybe I'll send some texts out, right? But again, keep in mind this is the Pixel 5a. I'm not really too familiar on how AT&T is supported in my area. I used Cricket for a little bit. So far, you can see that the download speeds are actually not too bad. And again, I'm surprised I actually got this to work Really not that bad though. I mean, from what I've heard, and my dad uses Cricket, there's really no complaints on Cricket service in my area. But again, if you guys want to test out the Boost Mobile network, again, I know they were offering the SIM kit for like literally $1. And, again, if you want to upgrade your service, you definitely can. I might have to look into that and just checking that out. But for the most part, again, 57 download, 17 upload. Let's just try another server. It's picking up server from Houston, Texas. Let's see if I can pick something up a little bit more local before we close this out. And I do apologize. My dogs are barking in the background. They love to bark, especially when cats outside are meowing it up. Let's pick VTX1 San Antonio. So again, I'm probably about 250 some miles away from San Antonio, Texas. But again, for the most part, I'm not seeing horrible connections. And again, for someone that really, doesn't really use data or is really connected to Wi-Fi more, $15 a month is actually a steal. As long as you're, I believe, enrolled in AutoPay. But again, $15 a month, unlimited plan with 2 gigabyte capped data. So it is telling you right off the bat that the data will be capped. And again, I don't know if they'll cap it more once you hit that 2 gigabyte limit. I was getting better service when it was with Houston. But again, guys, just take it with a grain of salt. Maybe I'll see if I can find some sort of affiliate link down so I can post below. But if you guys are interested in the Boost Mobile SIM kit, maybe just Google it or something like that. Again, I saw this ad on Instagram, and I was like, okay, I'm going to purchase it for $1. I literally purchased the SIM kit for $1. They mailed it to me. And here we are. So again, this is with my my Google Pixel 5a. Shout out to Team Pixel. And again, guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Sorry this took so long, or it took for some reason I feel like it took me forever to put this video together. But anyway, guys, smash the like button. Maybe I'll make an update video on the service and how it works. Maybe I'll probably test it out a little more and see how it goes. But for the most part, AT&T/Dish Network, not too bad. And so far, so good. Again, this is Mike from BTech Review signing off. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. We'll see you guys next time, okay?